ticking through the night, a lonely rhythm in the dark. Every room repeats your name, like an echo through my heart. The silence sits beside my bed, filling the space where love once slept. I never knew that quiet could carry so much pain. This is the sound of loneliness, a heartbeat breaking in my chest, a whispered prayer with no reply, 1,000 tears I never cried. Every breath reminds me still of the love I couldn't keep. When the whole world falls asleep, loneliness sings to me. Your favorite cup is on the shelf, untouched by passing days. The photograph upon